Okay, so I'm going to show what happens with the Heartbleed vulnerability. So what we have over here is our vulnerable server. Okay, so we just check to see if we're vulnerable. And we are. Okay, so we've set up a very basic home page here. Okay, so if we look at it, this is our default home page here. Okay, very simple. And we've also set up a PHP page called test, called index.html, index.php. Okay, so what I've done here is I've set a cookie so that when the browser connects, it will save the cookie locally. Okay, so let's say set test cookie equal to a certain value. So let's say it's called okay, so that could contain the username and password and so on. So what we'll do is we'll just exit from here. Oops, let's just try that again. Okay, so we'll just set that value here. Okay, so now what's happened here is that we'll be able to set the cookie on the browser. So what we'll do is we'll go over here and we'll just load that page. Okay, that's it loaded. Okay, if we want, we can pass some parameters into the page, such as name equals Fred, and there it appears there because we're passing it as a variable. And now let's look at our Heartbleed. Okay, so that makes a connection to the server and we get a listing from there. Have a little look. Okay, it's not there yet. And the next time we access it, this looks a bit more interesting. Not yet. There's our keep alive. And there we go. Okay, so there is our test cookie there. Okay, so that's an old cookie that we're actually seeing there. So what we'll do is we'll just refresh the browser, and hopefully we'll get another cookie coming in. So we'll just fire it up from here. So there's the test cookie coming in. And there we go. That's it there. Okay, so we can probe several times and eventually we reveal the memory in which the cookie is contained. So you can see here if there are session details, the username and password is stored in the cookies, then you can see that that can actually be released to an intruder. Okay, so that's given a demo there of how the Heartbleed we can access the memory of the website, and to be able to reveal the details of the session.